Okay, assalamu alaikum students again. Actually, when we are at the end of the class, we suddenly vanished because of the interruption of the power supply. So at the comment section, somebody was saying that what kind of sentence is they will sail or they will not sail. Well, sail here actually is being used to refer সমুদ্র যাত্রা করা. So if the weather is good, they will sail. অর্থাৎ that means যদি আবহাওয়া ভালো থাকে তাহলে তারা সমুদ্র যাত্রা করবে. Now you may elaborate it like they will sail for the sea. You need not write down for the sea, because sailing means you are making a sea journey, not a journey by river actually. Or you may use the name of any country, like they will sail for example Maldives or Andaman Island. You may give an object there, but if you use a sentence with intransitive verb, even then it is correct. So let's concentrate on the remaining part, that is, if I say let him study and he will get CGPA 5. Here, when we are turning it into complex, let him, if he studies, he will get CGPA 5. Now, if I say, let him study or he will not get CGPA 5, that is when we are using or and negative principal clause, then if he does not study, he will not get CGPA 5. So here, or, when we are using or, we are using not here, that is the negative sentence. But if we do not use or, rather we are using and, then we will use the affirmative form, that is if plus subject plus negative will be used if there is or at the compound part, but if plus subject plus affirmative will be used if there will be and at the compound part. Now, often while using the structures with and, we encounter sentences that is two incidents are happening one after another instantly, like So the teacher entered into the classroom and the students stood up. Here, when we are turning it into complex, as soon as the teacher entered into the classroom. So we are omitting and using as soon as. Why? Because we can understand that these two things are happening instantly one after another. Even in case of but, we can use this as soon as. How? If two contrasting incidents happen one after another, like here, two contrasting incidents are happening one after another. That is, we reached at the station, but we saw the train was leaving. So as soon as we can understand that these two incidents are happening one after another, so we may use as soon as we reached at the station, the train was leaving. So as soon as we reached at the station, the train was leaving. This is actually the complex structure, because these two incidents are actually happening one after another. So with this, we are finished with our task, compound to complex. In the next class, we will meet again, and of course, very much sorry for the unintended power interruption. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.